How's it going, everyone? This is Capital Gains 500, and in today's video we got a beautiful stocks, a real gem, something that if only I would have picked up before and I'd be soaring, flying, making a lot of bank today. It is Vivint Solar with a great percentage return of 39.70% right now. It's gone as high as 40%, as high as $15 per share, and this is a solar stock. The reason why this company is trading higher today, along with its soon-to-be partner or parent, Sunrun. Sunrun is acquiring Vivint Solar on a full stock acquisition deal, meaning that the two companies are going to merge together to form a bigger company and, just have double firepower to take on Elon Musk with his solar section. In general, solar technology is increasing as long as we keep innovating, and I'm actually happy to see this type of transaction happening in the stock market. Something real, something that I see is real, something that I see will actually benefit consumers and people coming forward into the future. If we take a look at Vivint Solar's 1 year chart, the company has been doing great. Like the stock price isn't like everywhere. It's been stable. It has its ups and downs, and by the end of 2019, obviously they must have had good quarters that it skyrocketed. In the first quarter of 2020, and right before the Rona, it crashed along with other stocks. So it does follow a really nice line and guidance of where the stock has been overall. If you would have bought it at the bottom at 370, wow, huge money today. But shoulda, woulda, coulda does not exist, and those are super rare opportunities or super rare occurrences where you can literally buy the bottom of a stock. But anywho, it climbed up slowly as did a lot of other companies. It wasn't until June that it was not even hitting pre-Rona valuations, and just with this news, it went over the top, and not even like too much. I would say a too much over the top would be $20, but at 14.80.87, as you see, it's trading right now during the day. I think it's a fair price for this new announcement. I think RUN is going to do great. I think Vivint Solar is going to do great as long as they keep innovating, as long as they focus on the company and actually delivering solar panels to homes. That would be awesome, and other solar technologies. As you can see, that there's still so much potential. There's so many customers out there. I feel like a lot of, for example, in America, it just really has to hit that price point and you have to really sell the customer on why they should install solar panels and why they should go solar. So there's a lot of business out there, and I think with these two companies joining forces, they're going to be able to do a lot more consumer research, consumer selling products and junk. So there's a lot of potential for them to keep making money, make more money, and then be united and do their best. Again, I see this stock price actually pretty fair for this new announcement. If we take a quick look at RUN, which is Sunrun, they are also doing really well. 25%, not as much as Vivint Solar, but a fair amount. If we look at the weekly chart, it just jumped and spiked up. Obviously, some people got in at the pre-market, aftermarket, after the news was announced, but it still gave some ability for some people to buy in at the morning, right at the open of the market, to capture some gains. Overall, if you're going to hold long this company, what I believe is they're going to be if you are holding VSLR, I believe, then you are going to be transferred into holding RUN. So if this deal gets through by the end of the year, you will have RUN stocks if you have Vivint Solar stocks at the moment. So that's what I think it's gonna happen as far as what I'm able to tell. Other than that, there's not much more I can say. The 80% analysis rating on Robinhood, which I actually don't even trust, but I do like this, that for the last couple of quarters, like you saw, that they were already profitable. When a crisis happens, a lot of consumer behavior changes, a lot of things change. So hopefully these two companies need to take advantage of the crisis and educate people to tell them why they need to be maybe self-sufficient. Like, this is why you need solar panels. Like, what if another crisis happens and you have no solar panels? I mean, you have no electrical energy coming from the utilities company. Like, you need to be self-sufficient. They need to really push hard on those type of messages to get the business right now. It might seem that people don't have money, but there is always money in the world. So there's going to be a lot of money for this company to acquire and shoot their stock price Let me be crazy, all the way to $100. I don't know. A tech giant, you know, solar is technology, solar tech giant. You know, we could possibly see Sunrun, and then if it does go to 100, you know, you'll quadruple your money from $26, $25 a share. So that's just me being optimistic. I'm not saying it's gonna happen. That's just my analysis on this video on what's going on. I haven't been so excited for solar technology in so long until like this announcement came up, because I feel like two heads are better than one. Well, two companies are with more resources are better than one. And honestly, like, the turn of the century is around the corner, or we are in it, and we need to keep moving forward. We do need to be a little bit more green. So there is a good chance that these would be great winners, but obviously keep a close eye on them. If you're going to buy stocks in either company, you know, have an investment strategy. How much are you going to buy? When are you going to buy? Are you going to continue to buy throughout the years? How long are you going to hold? When do you decide to sell? Are you going to keep these companies forever if they start giving a dividend and just earning income? The market cap on these companies, Sunrun's a little bit higher at 3.1 billion, and Vivint Solar is a little bit lower at the 1.84. But then, you know, being one company, this is the one that's going to be brought up a little bit more with the other valuation of the company, because then they're going to be one. And then that's the question, which one of these two are you going to buy? Are you going to buy VSLR, or are you going to buy RUN? Personally, I think, as you can see, a lot of people are really jumping onto VSLR. So hey, you know, it might seem like, oh, it's a little late, but I don't know. I think the stock price is fair. I haven't seen any like over buying, like I said, at $20. So I'm not giving any recommendations, just my analysis. Am I going to buy some? I think I'll buy a little bit of options to see where it goes. That's what I like to do. And if the options goes my way or doesn't go my way, I would be happy to own the shares anyway as a long time hold. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Have a great day. If you're interested, like I said, in these stocks, do more research, do your due diligence before you invest, and always have a strategy and a plan. Thank you guys so much for the support recently. If you're new, subscribe to the channel. There's going to be so many more great videos. Leave a like, please. It really helps out the channel. And comment down below what the heck you're thinking. I like to read what you're saying, and then maybe I'll comment back. So I'll see you in the next video, and thank you and goodbye.
Liftoff of the Falcon 9 and Crew Dragon. Go NASA, go SpaceX, Godspeed, bottom dog.
Godspeed indeed.
Vehicle pitching downrange.